Real quick here, this is a Soviet ssh39 helmet. A buddy of mine who lives in St. Petersburg sent to me. He's a collector and also a, what would you call him, recovery and relic hunter. They repatriate, Soviet soldiers found in graves to proper burial sites. His family lived through the siege of Leningrad and has a hell of a nice collection. He sent this to me as a gift. It's an ssh39 helmet. As you can see, there's a lot of damage to it. The Soviet star with the hammer and sickle is still there, but it's a little faded. It doesn't show up as good on camera, but the helmet seen something, some kind of explosion or concussion. Just a shell. There's no liner inside, but a certain angle you can see there's a name written in pencil there at the bottom. I can't make it out fully. And around this side, where did it go here? There it is a maker mark, probably for the size, and then underneath, it's hard to make out, but it says, looks like 1939 in there. Usually I don't collect relics, but something, this neat, especially from where it was found. And it was a really nice gift from him too. So thanks, Yuri.